Tired of waiting for payday to snag that must-have item? Atome lets you split your purchases into easy, interest-free installments. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it in store, step by step. First, head to any participating Atome retailer while you'll look for the Atome logo displayed at the checkout counter or around the store. Open your Atome app and tap the Scan or Pay button. Usually located at the bottom of your screen, it might look slightly different depending on your app version. This will activate the QR code scanner now. Look for the Atome QR code at the checkout counter. The cashier will usually point it out to you. Position your phone so that the QR code is clearly visible within the scanner frame. The app should automatically detect and scan the code. Once scanned, the app will display the total purchase amount and break it down into your installment schedule. You'll see how much you need to pay upfront and the dates for your subsequent payments. Review the payment details carefully, and if everything looks good, tap Pay Now or the confirmation button. You might be prompted to enter your passcode or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. That's it. You'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your first payment has been processed successfully. The cashier will also receive a notification on their end. Now you can enjoy your purchase while managing your payments in a smarter, more flexible way with Atome. Don't forget to check out the Atome app for participating stores and exclusive deals. Happy shopping!